whisper. Oh, don't look so sad. I know it's over, but life goes on, and this world keeps on turning. Let's just be glad we had this time to spend together. There is no need to watch the bridges that will burn. On the raindrops roll softly against my window. One more time. I'm sure to find another. Please remember, I'll be here. I'm gonna stay right here. If you should ever find you need me, don't say no. When you leave for the time. Over the being in love with someone, yeah. Oh, baby, love and happiness, love and happiness. Oh. I'll be good. We'll be together. All the way to victory. Oh, baby. Stay out all night long. Oh,
I used to feel so uninspired. It was
International.
to face another day. Oh, it made me feel so tired. Before the day I met you, life was so unkind. But you're the key to my peace of mind. 'Cause you let me feel like
It's just you and me.
When the night
Some of say your age international.
and the land is dark and the moon like we'll see.
Some of say your age international. Some of say I'm famous.
Oh, I'm afraid just as long as you stand by me. So darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me.
Yo,
If the sky
check.
we look upon should tumble and fall,
Check.
all the mountains
Yeah,
should crumble to the sea.
yes.
I won't cry, no I won't
Yes, I am.
just as long as you stand
Check 1, 3.
by me.
Yeah, you know.
Darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me.
Check.
Oh, stand now
Yes, I am.
by me. Stand by me.
I used to think that love was just a fairy tale
Wow.
until that first hello, until that first smile. But if I had to do it all again, I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause this love is everlasting. Suddenly there's beauty up above, and things we never did notice of. You wake up and suddenly you're in love.
Reaching out to all my beautiful ladies. Sunday evening vibes. Ladies, come on.
You're everything a man could want and more. One time
Reaching out to all my New York ladies.
you say what
Floridonians. Come on.
holding hands as we walk along the shore.
What easy lady Ophelia, all the way Jamaica.
This before,
Check 1.
now you're all I'm living for. Suddenly, life has new meaning to me.
Reach out to all my ladies in Canada.
And things we never take notice of. You wake up,
All the UK ladies, come on.
you're in love. Each day I pray this love affair will last forever.
Here we go.
Suddenly, life has new meaning to me. There's beauty up above, and
You want to take my ladies head back into the 70s and understand?
you wake up suddenly, you're in love.
Watch this. Here we go.
What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow.
All my folk males, ladies, come on, watch y'all. Up there! There!
It's all about H2 International Sound Music.
I put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. Watching my direction, I go the other way. I start to speed. Try to stand on my knees, go.
Watch out, man, you better man, look out.
In the dark, can you tell
Oh, man!
me? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window. Should I stop from my side?
Choose.
The reason why
There!
you always on my mind.
Come on, get it.
Yeah, man, big man like Omar Fame Music.
There!
Yeah, man, big man like Omar Fame Music.
Picture on my mirror, the blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. Walk in my direction, I go the other way.
Zoom the fight, stop!
Speed, try to step
Watch my ladies, them on the song are nice. Come again. Reaching out to my beautiful ladies. Reckless. There! Watch it now, look at him, man.
mirror, the blush when somebody says your name. There's a pain. Walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak.
Choose.
Try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow,
Yeah.
staring out the window. Should I stop from my side? The reason why you always on my mind. You come around and shine when I see you.
Them song are nice like when you have sex, you really, but all right, let me pull the song here one more time. And this is Fantasia. Come. Ladies, are your time here. Come on. There.
I put your picture on my mirror. The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. Walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak.
Watch out, man. Look at the man. I want you to know, so you remember the 24th of this month, alright? I said there, you understand? Naples, Florida. You know what I mean? The Big Bad Sound HQ over there. It's a party, you understand? Christmas Eve thing, you know what I mean? No more people must have got there. The whole team out, you know what I mean? So we got the people that watch a kid for the live from early, you understand? You know, big respect for all the people that from New York we are checking also. People that from Jamaica also, you know what I mean? Everything alright. People that from Florida, we got all themselves. We're there, you understand? We're there up on the ground. You know what I mean? We're there make it happen, you understand? So don't remember, 24th of this month, right? So I'm more famous, the whole world over there. You know what I mean? Because we are themselves. Come again, ladies. Don't forget, bring your girl. Party they have a nice, you understand? Yeah! When they say you nice kind of out, you can't forget your youth. Let keep anyway! Shine, big up yourself. DJ Sasha, you're live.
In my stomach, there's a
Yeah.
walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak.
Lady there, big up.
My knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window. Should I stop for a sign? Noise and roar.
Watch the girl, man. The girl have bad no bitch. Play him again. Next time you die, so I have to keep playing. But you hear people that like it, some like it too. Yeah.
I put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. Walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window. Should I stop for a sign? The reason why I was a man. You come by your side when I see you. When I see you, baby, I know when you might walk by. See how you out when I see you. When I see you, I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, nervous when you call. I say I'm not home. I see your face, I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email or call? You're the number one topic on the phone. I'm looking for you. Do I lay my head on my pillow? You got me staring out the window. What's on the stars on the side? That's the reason why. You're always I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stand here. Many rivers to cross, but I can't seem to find my way over. Wandering around lost as I travel along wide cliffs of Dover. Many rivers to cross, and it's only my will that keeps me alive. I've been licked, washed up for years, and I nearly survived because of my pride. And this loneliness won't leave me alone. It's such a drag to be on your own. Many rivers to cross, but I can't seem to find my